Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, thanks for helping feed baby Redbird.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
A blankie for the baby.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Oh, shucks.
Thanks for helping make baby Redbird warm again, everybody. Come on, everybody. Slide down to the forest with us. All right. We made it to the forest.
Now let's find that tallest tree.
Here you go, Goof.
Gosh.
You can do it. I know you can.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
To get baby Redbird to his mommy, Goofy has to bounce all the way up to the top of the tallest tree. Will you cheer Goofy on as he bounces to the top of the tallest tree? Great!
Here we go.
To help Goofy bounce high, let's all say, bounce high.
It's working.
To help Goofy bounce higher, say, bounce higher.
We're almost there.
Oh, to help Goofy bounce the highest of all, say, bounce highest.
Balance. Pleased to meet you, Mommy Redbird.
Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Here's your little bundle of feathery joy.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
And a tweet, tweet, tweet to you, too.